This kit comes with 15 trimmer spools and 3 spool caps, so you're stocked up for a while. It's super affordable too, definitely cheaper than what I've seen at my local hardware store. It's compatible with many Worx Series, so be sure to check your model. Mine is the WG170 and it fits perfectly. Swapping the spool is really easy. Just pop the cap off, remove the old spool, drop the new line in, line up the arrows, feed the line through, and click the cap back on. That's it. No tools, no fuss. Now I'm out here trimming the grass, and honestly, I used to shy away from this chore, but with these spools, it's actually kind of fun. The string is 10 feet long and cuts clean through thanks to the aerodynamic design. It feels like slicing through air, and the material, it's reinforced with glass fiber, so it holds up great, even around tough edges. I've got a whole box of spools now, so I won't be running out anytime soon. It's easy, affordable, and honestly makes lawn care feel like way less of a chore.